In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video from images using Photos app in Windows 10. So without using any third-party software, you can create a video using inbuilt photo application in Windows 10. So firstly, you need to navigate your images. I have some images in my this folder. So select all. Now right click and click on create a new video. So now you will see this window will open. Now maximize. Now select your all videos. Before select, give name for your videos. Then click on OK. Now first thing you have to do, add your image to your storyboard. So drag and drop. Like this. Now play your video. Now you need to decrease the time. So right click and duration. So like 1 second. So right click and change time for all videos, for all images. So now it will look like this. Now we will add some effect. So firstly you need to add title. You can add title card, and also you can add your title on your first image. So click on text, type your title. Select style. So there are some style, select as you like. Select layout. Click on done. Now select motion. So select motion for every video, for every image. Now play and see how it's looking. You can add 3D effect. So select your image and click on 3D effects. There are some 3D effects like magical light, autumn leaves, and bubble everywhere, bubbles. You can use the volume also for bubble everywhere. So, and click on OK. Now check it. So as we can see here. Similarly, you select second or third image and add some effect like autumn. Select the time limit. So you need to make the duration some more. Change time here and click on done. Now check it. Also, you can add background music from this library, and also you can use your custom audio by adding audio file from here. And after all thing you done, there is some another option like filters. So you can change like classic, adventure, and there are some more options. Now when you completed editing, click on finish video. Select quality for this video like high, medium or low. Then click on export. Save your file where you want to. Now save your file and click on export. Now wait for a while till this processor will be complete. When you finish, so you can check your video. That's it. So that's it friends, by this quick and very super easy method we can know how to create a video from images in Windows 10 using photo inbuilt application. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.